Hello everybody, good afternoon. So this is the third update of the house renovation. Yes. So today I'm gonna show you guys the big improvement. Yes, and I'm so happy because tomorrow they will gonna do the floor elevation. So I will show you guys the rocks for the stones. Look at this. So they will put this in our kitchen. I'll show you. So but first we will start here because it's hard for me to cross over there. So yeah, here first. So this one, it's already finished. The finishing, guys, it's already done. Sorry, it's so noisy here because the our neighbor is having a party. Wow, party, the karaoke, guys. So it's already done here and inside too. Get inside, guys. Smiley. So here inside, it's already done. Look at that. It's already finished. It's so fast. If you know, guys, it's super fast. They're very hardworking. Look at that. So here's my room. It's empty. Look at that. It's empty. Wow, it's not empty. Look at that. Oh my god, it's already finished. As you can see on my previous video, guys, it's not like this. My brother. So here, this is the kitchen. So all we have to do is to elevate this to get like this one. It should be elevate from here. And that is our comfort room is not done yet. So this comfort room, guys, it's too small for me. I will gonna double it. I will gonna remove this area, then add some more space. So here at the back, guys, they started putting some cement. Look at that. It's all almost finished. And this one, then together with that one. So this house will be beautiful soon. Look at that. As you can see, it's so fast. They're very hardworking, guys. I'm so lucky that I have those workers here. And I'm gonna pay maybe the payment for workers soon. It is almost 10,000 for the 6 of them. No, I have 4 laborers now because the one who picking up this rocks far from here, so they're the one lifting all the rocks move here, guys. And what else, I have 3 laborers for this one labor for the mixer, and I have 3 carpenters now so that it will be fast. And maybe tomorrow they will transfer all the trucks over here. So I'm so happy they will finish that soon. The next will be tomorrow. They will I have delivery coming tomorrow for the sand, the no, not the sand, it's the gravels for the top, for the tops for no, for this one. So this one will be they remove this one to extend it up because they will elevate that one. Yes, I'm so happy, guys, and it takes a lot of money. So for my labor, maybe it's almost 10,000 now as I compute all the money that I need to pay them. It's almost 10,000 for that. And I need more materials for I need the gravels. I think 2 cubics of gravels. Yeah, 2 sets of. So yeah, there is another things need to do for the roof, guys. I will make some design. If you can suggest me a design for this roof. But here I will use this area, or maybe this no, not that one, because that one is the electricity tower. So here I will gonna use this part for the kitchen. Yes, a small kitchen, a small dirty kitchen here. The dirty kitchen, it should be like this only, like that. Yeah, like that only, the dirty kitchen, that's only. And here, just going to the exit area. Before I was planning to put a one room over here, but maybe one day I will gonna put some one room there. Yeah, but my big problem is the comfort room and this one. I want to take this off. but I don't have budget as of now for the materials. And also, my class will start soon, guys. Look at that. It's beautiful now. It's better than before. Like, guys, it's already finished. Smile, Putok. Here's the workers, guys. The workers. I don't know where's the others. I don't know where's the two workers. They're not here. They're having free snacks. Look at that. They're having free snacks. So this is the upper part, guys. So this one is already finished. Look at that. You cannot see any hollow blocks. And here too. Look at that. It's already finished. I'm super amazed. Inside, at the back, and in front, it's already finished. The house is beautiful now. For me, it's beautiful now. So, I have good news for the kids. We're going to Kogon Resort, sponsored by our YouTube viewers. Yeah! Yay! 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 Say thank you to them. Say thank you. Thank you so much. Are you excited to swim?
Yes.
How about you? Are you excited going to the Jurassic Park?
Yes.
Yes. How are you?
Yes.
You happy?
Yes.
Yay! 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 Yay!
Swim.
Hi, kids. Hi. Hello, kids. Hello. Kogon Resort. Hi, hi. 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 Ah. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Dance, leading, ah. Dan, taran, dan, dan. Dan, taran, dan, dan. Dan, taran, dan, dan, taran, dan, 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 dan. Dan, taran, 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 dan, dan. So we have delivery, guys. I think this is the gravels. So this part, guys, I already bought the hollow blocks for this one to extend it up. Then all I need to do is to buy a, what is that? The wood for this one, like this, and remove all this roof, guys. Then also the roof here in the CR or the comfort room, I will also remove that one. And this one, extend it over there. It's my plan. Then put outside, I will put a dirty kitchen. So inside it will be clean kitchen and the dining area. Wow!
Na, yung ganda. Lalog na ba?
Nagmay man na.
Diba? Kung naman lagi. Gagmay na lang. Ano na, lipis na lang.
Sakto na ni ate. Dili siya itubungan eh.
Tantay, dire. Ato, dire, lipis na may mga halot.
Ha?
Butang natin, dire, lipis na may mga halot. Oo, sakot eh. Ano, nasa ilawan, 6-5.
Hindi kong editon rong gabi eh.
Okay, jud siya kung ano yun. Tubungan ba? Bisa di kayo to.
Magamit mo. Gamit pa na.
Tres. Pero, tingnan ro na.
Ay, duha man dahil ni kako ano? Duha ka chariot. Blue. Here's the kuan, guys. Hello blocks. Is the cement left? I need more. Hello. Kahilasa gyud. Lahi ra siya sa kuan. Gahit kayo no.